comeback, and also last year the fan support we enjoyed here were a determining factor that led us to bring our marquee showcase the finals this season. So again, thank you for your support, and thank you for standing with us on this journey. Claire mentioned it. This has been an epic season so far. You know, obviously 5 years is a great milestone. We've really every year seen the growth of the Basketball Africa League, and for us the biggest measure is really about the product on the court. The competition has been incredible. We've seen great games from our Kalahari Conference in Rabat in Morocco, then moving to Senegal and then to Rwanda. Great competitions, fan engagement. Is really the league is coming and anchoring its position on the global sporting calendar. And also continue to be broadcast in 214 countries around the world, and many free-to-air partners, and that we continue to enjoy working with to showcase this great African product. Today we will tip off in less than an hour, I believe now, with some great matchup. The Creole Stars going against Frisco Rabat. We've seen the drama in Senegal, how Creole qualified, and also we like to point out that in all these teams we're going to continue to see the BAL Elevate players that are going to contribute. That remains really for us a bright spot, because that's the way we link still our initiatives from grassroots to elite, the pathway we talked about. Some of them are making names for themselves. We've seen this year some of the young players who played in the BAL, part of the NBA Academy Africa team. Haman Malwaj, Ruben Chinelo, who won the NCAA championship with the University of Florida. Ulrich Chamche getting drafted last year. So this program has really shown the tremendous contribution and the value it brings to the basketball ecosystem. And this year we've seen that. I mentioned Creole Star because a young man, Louis Umwo, hitting a buzzer beater after a overtime game to qualify Creole Stars. So this is a program that we continue to be excited about, and the NBA Academy Africa team will be here as part of the showcase that we always also